Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how to calculate what the cost would be for a week's worth of a certain type of meal. We plan on chips, cheese, and salsa for lunch. A bag of chips is for $2.85 has about 10 servings. A jar of salsa for $2.31 has about 9 servings. A pound of cheese for $4.40 has about 8 servings. A week of lunches for 2 people will cost what? Okay, let's figure out chips per person. So if we do $2.85 divided by 10, well, anytime we divide by 10, we just have to move the decimal place one place, so be 0.285. So you could either use 28 cents or 29 cents, or you could just leave it like that and round it later. $2.31 for 9 servings. That turns out to be 0.257, so pretty close to 26 cents per serving. And the cheese, $4.40 divided by 8 equals exactly 0.55, so 55 cents per serving for cheese. So for one person, we would say, well, let's add our 0.257 and our 0.285. 10. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, plus 8 is 19. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 5 is 10. So $1.09 per person. And we say, well, let's figure out for 2 people, and then let's do a whole week's worth. So for 2 people, it would be, multiply that by 2. So it would be $2.18. And then I would multiply that by 7 days, and that gets so that turns out to be $15.26. Now you generally wouldn't eat the same thing every day, but just kind of gives us an idea of what the cost of certain kinds of meals. So yogurt for breakfast, bagels, let's see, $2.19 for a bag of 6. So 0.365, so 36.5 cents, and $4.86 divided by 10. All we have to do is move the decimal one place, so that becomes 0.486, so 48, almost 49 cents each. And so for one person, we would have, let's add the 0.486, and we get 5 plus 6 is 11, carry the 1. 6 plus 8 is 14, plus 1 is 15, carry the 1. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 1 is 8, so 85 cents per person. Well, let's do our 0.85 for 3 people. So that equals $2.55 for 3 people to have breakfast. And then if we multiply that by 7 days, so that turns out to be $17.85. We plan on chicken and salad for dinners. A whole chicken costs $5.71, 8 servings. A bag of salad lettuce costs $1.63 and serves 6 people. A bag of carrots that you might add to your salad to make it a little nicer, $1.42. It can be shredded, and the lettuce has 10 servings. A jar of salad dressing costs $2.88 and has 16 servings. So let's find out per serving first. So 5.71, divide that by 8 servings. Is right at about 71 cents. And salad, 1.63 divided by 6. So that turns out to be 27 cents. So then the carrots, $1.42, 10 servings, so that would be 0.14. It's about 14 cents per serving. And then $2.88 for 16 servings. Turns out to be 18 cents per serving. So let's find out per person what that would be. So we have the 71 cents, we have the 27 cents, we have the 14 cents. Oops, let me start over. And the 18 cents. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 4 is 20, 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 2 is 13. So it's going to cost us about $1.30 per person, and we're going to have 3 people. So it's going to cost us $3.90 for one meal, and we're going to have a whole week's worth of that. $27.30.